The best headphone amplifiers. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Number 1. Cirrus Sound Key. An extensive introduction is the thing to get done, giving each instrument the space it needs to relax. This is particularly articulated when tuning into calmer, sparser material rather than frantic, occupied tracks. Accounts like this are opened up quite wide, permitting the little subtlety space to uncover themselves. Number 2. AudioQuest DragonFly Cobalt. Cobalt uncovers inadequacies in the source and chronicles that others in the family don't, so you may need to watch those lower quality accounts. Yet give it a decent sign and it's able enough to give Chord's powerful Mojo trouble, and that is something relatively few earphone amps can guarantee. Number 3. Chord Mojo. Fabricate quality is spectacular. It seems like a strong piece of metal with its airplane-grade aluminum packaging flawlessly machined and completed to an incredibly exclusive expectation. What's more, it'll last you some time as well, 8 hours once completely energized. However, this will differ contingent upon your volume levels and kind of earphones utilized. Number 4. Chord Hugo 2. It's troublesome, undoubtedly, to blame the way Hugo 2 proselytes and conveys your computerized sound records. What's more, sparklingly high-res ones, however low-quality records as well, whatever you feed it, Hugo 2 presents a nitty-gritty, dynamic, and punchy execution. Number 5. AudioQuest DragonFly Red. There's likewise an additional degree of detail that, joined with astounding low-level elements, implies everything sounds more normal, unpretentious, and expressive. Like the DragonFly Cobalt, the logo even lights up various shadings to mention to you what document design the Red is preparing. It's a decent touch to an all-around astounding gadget. Click the link in the description to get more information. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to us and turn the notifications on.